Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to use Grok Imagine. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the creative process, struggling to bring your imaginative ideas to life? Or perhaps you're a digital artist or filmmaker looking for a tool that can streamline your workflow and enhance your creative projects. Well, you've come to the right place. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into Grok Imagine, a revolutionary AI-driven platform designed to make image and video generation both fun and accessible. This tool can transform the complex task of digital creation into an enjoyable experience, giving you the power to unleash your imagination like never before. Now, let's get started on this exciting journey. The first step is to open your favorite web browser. This could be anything from Chrome to Firefox, or whichever you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Grok Imagine to bring up a list of search results related to this innovative tool. Among these results, you should see the official Grok Imagine website. Click on that link to head straight to the homepage, which is the gateway to your creative adventure. Once you arrive on the Grok homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Imagine. This is where the true magic happens, and it's your entry point into the world of AI-powered creation. Click on the Imagine tab to access the image and video generation interface. Now that you're in the Imagine interface, it's time to let your creativity flow. Here, you will create prompts. Think of prompts as your way of communicating with the AI, essentially providing commands or suggestions for the type of image or video you'd like it to generate. Take a moment to brainstorm what you want. Whether it's a serene landscape, a bustling cityscape, or something entirely abstract, type your prompt into the text box provided. Don't hesitate to experiment, as this is your chance to explore and see what unique results you can achieve. Once you have crafted the perfect prompt, it's time to take action. Hit the Submit button, and your request will be sent into the digital realm. The AI will then get to work, bringing your vision to life with its impressive capabilities. As your content is being generated, you might want to consider adding a professional touch. This is where templates come into play. Grok Imagine offers a variety of template options to help structure your content and give it a polished finish. Spend some time browsing through these templates and select one that aligns with the aesthetic of your project or the tone you wish to convey. After you've chosen the template that complements your vision, it's time for the final step, making your video. Look for the clearly marked Make Video button. When you click this, the AI will seamlessly merge your creative prompt with the selected template, resulting in a cohesive and stunning video. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of using Grok Imagine to create breathtaking digital content from scratch. Each feature within Grok Imagine opens up new possibilities for artists and creators, offering tools that simplify even the most complex creative challenges. The more you familiarize yourself with this innovative tool, the more you'll realize that the only limitation is your imagination. We hope this walkthrough inspires your creativity and equips you with the confidence to delve into the expansive world of digital creation using Grok Imagine. Thank you for watching and happy creating. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to use Grok Imagine quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.